Right, we're going to do a bit of reading then. Come on, Pops. Come on, Pops. What are we going to be reading here, Pops? Come on then. Animal Pants. Animal Pants. By Brian Moses. Now Kai's coming in. Oh, look at all this. Look at all that there. From the biggest gorillas to the tiniest ants, the animals are wearing underpants. Look. Wonderful. Okay. From the biggest gorillas to the tiniest ants, the animals are wearing underpants. Very colourful. A warthog's pants barely cover his belly. A skunk's underpants are really smelly. Snake's underpants are long and lean. A chameleon's change from red to green. A kangaroo's pants are full of fleas. A penguin's pants quite often freeze. Aha! A cat buys her pants from a catalogue. A frog wears his pants when he's off for a jog. Got to look a bit interesting there, Dolly. A hippo's pants will make you grin. They're full of pockets to store things in. Look at his little duck. And it really does cause a bit of a fuss. Finding underpants for an octopus. And why is that kind? So why are the animals wearing pants? Well, it's sure to be big news. Pants contest. It's the best underpants competition. Now, which pair would you choose? Oh, hello, Rose. Come on in. Ah, I think the octopus wins it. Well done, guys. Thank you.